Hey guys, welcome to MAGUIRE'S Collision Center. Here we specialize in all phases of post-collision and auto body repair on all makes and models of vehicles. We are Gold Class certified by ICAR, which means that our technicians are continuously training in the processes and techniques required to completely and safely repair your vehicle. Our team has a combined total of 110 years of automotive service and collision experience and is equipped with state-of-the-art collision repair equipment, materials, and facilities. We stand behind our materials and workmanship with a lifetime warranty on all paint repairs. To make your repair as convenient as possible for you, we work with all insurance companies for payment arrangements, and enterprise rental vehicles can be arranged for pickup at our shop for your use. Further, we offer a full complimentary detail with any collision repair. In addition to collision services, we offer auto glass repair and replacement, paintless dent removal, and a full line of mechanical services and repairs on premises. For all of your collision repair and auto body needs, you can trust the experienced professionals at MAGUIRE'S Ford to get the job done right.
Because MAGUIRE'S means more.